this is the first refinement we have, right? Just a Control C, Control V.
Oh.
And then all our changes are made on this guy. This one will keep updating, but there is a possibility this one may crash.
Yeah.
So if this guy crash, delete this one.
We can use the other one, copy of 9.
Just remove this one.
Oh,
you need to remove this guy. And then this one means it provide us a method to go back one level, right? So whenever you change something and you finish checking the result, the difference curve, you can always Control C, Control P, Control C, Control V, and keep a copy of each one. You see? So that's why we do K here. Okay. And then we need to go least square refinement setup. All we are concerned.
L. We need to put input L.
And then here is we need to enter least square controls L. L again. So here, if you see, it has A, B, C, D, so many things, and the basic ones we need to toggle. Toggle means switch on or off. We need to turn on the lattice refinement. So that one is oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, let me go back one step. X.
Okay.
I think we need to this guy overall.
Edit overall parameters. Okay.
O. This is O overall. So it has A, B, C, D, E, F. And here we need to do L, lattice parameter. So here the lattice parameter, right? Here you see not refined.
Oh yeah.
Because this one is just a reference value, right? So how you refine this guy? V, toggle refinement flag. That means we turn it on. V. So you change this guy, right? And then X until you see nothing. So basically, if you double click this guy, you will see it's on. You see?
Oh, okay.
If you just click this guy, it's off. It's on, it's off. So even you don't want to do that manual things, you can just open this guy and turn on this guy. That is already on. That means.
Oh, everything is done on the background?
Yeah. If you toggle this guy, that means the previous L, O, L, and then V is all done by just one click.
Oh, great. Okay.
Yeah. So save. So after we do this guy, what we do? We need to run this guy. Like the same system to take our command, right? And generate.
Okay.
You see?
So after power plot, we are doing power pref and then generalize again.
Yeah. Whenever you change something.
Whenever you change something,
you need to let the system know and then refine.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. You see, originally it's 24, right?
Now we are in.
Right now we are. This guy.
No, right now we are using power plot.
No, we are here.
Okay,
power pref means the system, let the system to take the new input, whatever refinement toggle or something. Generally, it means let the system to calculate again based on the new input.
Oh, okay, fine.
You see, it's still take some time, so you can do this one multiple times until it gives you the just right away, right?
Okay.
That means it's a stable set, this refinement. So you can do this one to check if the refinement are a little better. If not, delete this guy and start this guy and change some other parameters, right?
Change some other parameters like what?
Yeah, I will show you. Control C, because it's decreasing, it's getting better. So I will continue working on this guy, but before that I will make a second copy. So after, for example, after we do something, this one crash, we will just rename this guy as this guy. So we can go back. So right now, let's do another thing. So we refine the lattice parameter is on. Right now let's refine texture. The most important thing are lattice parameter, texture, and stress information to get. So right now let's do this AXP edit again K, right? L. Let me show you what is L.
Okay, let us define square.
This square.
This square refinement.
And then here overall, let me double check. Yep, O, still O. Preferred orientation, O again. Preferred orientation parameter.
Okay.
You see that?
Okay.
And then here, HMX, we need to choose H.
Okay.
This is a spherical harmonic model. It has also another model, but this model, H model, is much better for our data. So we choose H. So here you see, let me show what is the, we need to do L again. List the current value and refinement flag, L. You remember L, then O, then O,
Okay.
then L again. So there it will show the flag is off, something like that. It's not, but it's the refinement that if you double click this guy, I will show you. I mean, why here spherical H model.
Oh, okay.
You see, this guy is off. Refine coefficient. This guy is off. So let me close this one for the time being, and let's change in this phase.
Okay.
And then let's come back to see how the system takes. Right. So here L O O H then L then O again. Let me show you what is O. O is the set the order. It has different orders for harmonic. So the order means if you are in the low order, and low order in the sense it has several parameters in this model.
Okay.
So the lower number of the model is the less possibility you can vary. For example, the order, if you choose order 5, it may have only 3 variants, 3 variables. If you go order 20, it gives you 10 variables. So the higher the order is, the more variables or more freedom you have.
Okay.
But the higher order sometimes can give you better refinement, but that is not the true case because it's just has so many variables. It can definitely catch the raw spectra, but it doesn't have any physical meaning. So sometimes we go lower, relatively lower models. But if we couldn't catch, we'll go little by little to increase the orders. So here, if you see my previous, if you see I choose 8. 8 has 3. If you see here, 3 terms for 8. So let's choose 8. So set the order. We need to O set the order, right?
Yeah.
Here it will ask you what is the order. 8. You see 3 variables, coefficients. 3 variables. Right now the texture is 1. 1 means random.
Okay.
1 means random. So that's all for the texture. So we do X, 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 just X, until it come out. So if you see this one again, we gave the order and it takes 1, but we forgot to turn on the flag.
Yeah.
So let's go back and turn on the flag, refinement flag. The same. Okay. Then L O O H L. You can do this one. I mean continuously. It goes to this menu.
Oh.
You see. And then I think it's always V to toggle. But let's check.